Hi there everyone, and welcome back to the channel. I do hope that you're all okay. To all the family members and subscribers, as always, thank you so much for being here. I do appreciate you all. Please keep those comments coming, and don't forget to hit that like button if you are able. A big welcome to the latest subscriber to the channel, E-Studio Records. Thank you so much for being here. It really is much appreciated. Right, I was in Iceland yesterday and I got this Nacho Cheese Chicken Bites, and these were part of a 3 for £10 deal by somebody called Iguanas. And I also picked up a Tex Mex Dip selection, which was £2. So let's see what they're all about, folks. And here we are, back again. Hello everyone. Well, I've not taken them off yet. Ingredients: chicken breast 40%, wheat flour, calcium carbonate, iron, niacin, thiamine, processed cheese 14%, carotenes, acidity regulator, lactic acid, rapeseed oil, water, tortilla triangles, flour, salt, rice flour, citric acid, buttermilk, diphosphates, smoked paprika, colour is paprika extract, sunflower oil and spice extracts. Your allergy warnings in this are for wheat and milk. 500 grams, I've got 8 here, you do actually get 16 in the packet. 500 grams as I say, and there is the nutritional information should anybody wish to stop the video and take a look. There we go. Just move them out of the way. See if that'll stand up for me. Yay! And the Tex Mex selection, which is that. Got guacamole, tomato salsa, and a soured cream and chive. There's a ton of ingredients here which I'm not going to go through, but your allergy warnings are for milk, egg, guacamole and tomato salsa. 210 grams, this was £2 as I say, and the nutritional information is there. So, let's try them on their own. Then we'll try them with the dip. They cook in the oven for 16 minutes or an air fryer, depending on the air fryer instructions, but there they go. Smell very nice. A nice crispiness to the outside with the nacho. Some really nice flavours in there. The chicken is absolutely perfect. They're really good. Absolutely perfectly seasoned. These are delightful. Everything about them is just absolutely perfect. Absolutely gorgeous. Certainly come back for more of these. Wow. These, they definitely have that wow factor. Brilliant. Highly recommend these to you all. They're just so tasty. Everything about it, the seasoning, the flavours, the chicken, just absolutely, seriously superb. We'll try the dip selection. Go for the salsa one first. There it is with the salsa on. The salsa there adds a very clean, very fresh flavour to it. It's absolutely superb. Chunky, full of flavour. Right. Go for the guacamole next. And there it is with the guac. That is lovely. Great flavours again. Yes. Beautiful. And the last one is the sour cream and chive, which is there. Sour cream and chive. Really nice. You've got the sourness of the cream there, the sharpness from the chive. Absolutely brilliant. I could recommend that to you all, folks. I'd definitely buy that again. Each one totally different to the other. Absolutely brilliant flavours. Don't have a favourite because they're all equally as good. So that's that one. If you see that one, pick that one up and give it a go. You won't be disappointed. And this is just absolutely superb. Both very easy 10 out of 10s. And that's coming from me, who is not a massive Mexican food lover. Absolutely incredible these are. They're an absolute taste sensation. And I wish you could taste what I'm tasting here. These are fantastic. Right folks, I'll leave that one there for now. If you've enjoyed what you've seen, please hit the like button, leave a comment in the box below, hit the bell icon for future uploads. If you're not yet subscribed and you'd like to subscribe, please consider doing so. Won't cost you a penny, and it never will. As always, I will say to you all, Namaste, and I wish you all an absolutely amazing Thursday. Bye for now.